Okay, today I want to talk about the importance of employment contracts. Now, when you start taking on employees, it's very important that you issue employment contracts, either before day one of employment or on day one. Traditionally, the position was you could give out an employment contract within 8 weeks of employment. That has changed since 2020. Now, in terms of how to go and get an employment contract, if you're thinking, okay, who do I go and see to draft an employment contract? My advice would be to go and see an employment solicitor or a HR professional. I've seen this happen on many occasions where an employment contract is downloaded from the net and it doesn't cover the business, it doesn't protect the business in any way. And sometimes the core clauses that should be inserted in an employment contract are missing. It won't protect the business in any way. So a couple of things that could be missing are confidentiality clauses, any clauses in relation to conflict of interest, restrictive covenants. These are normally missing from a contract that you download from the net. And also you're getting it right the first time. So you can use this contract then as you build your team, as you take on more staff, and it gives clarity to the employee on their terms of employment. So the traditional clauses that will be in an employment contract are hours in which they work, their weekly and yearly pay, their location. So if it's a hybrid working relationship, or if they're working from the office or 2 days working from home, that will be confirmed in the employment contract. It'll also have a clause in there to do with probation periods, so the length of probation period, and actually more importantly, how to pass your probation. So these are some of the normal clauses, and then there'll be additional clauses in relation to confidentiality, conflict of interest, restrictive covenants. If your business needs an intellectual property clause in there, then that would also be drafted and inserted. So if you're taking on staff then and you need an employment contract, you're more than welcome to reach out to us. Our website is www.klglaw.co.uk, and that's Anita Kalra from Kalra Legal Group. Thank you.